we want to highlight last week's dates. For example, we have these projects that we're starting this week, but we want to just double check, is last week's completed? Let's highlight last week's dates. We're going to go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. We're going to apply A:(A), and our format cells rules is going to be a custom formula. We're going to equals week. We're going to wrap it around A1. We're going to say, is it equal to week num today? And this shows us or highlights this week's dates, but we want last week's. So we just take week num today and -1. And now we have the week number matching of today -1 matching with A1. So we see this is last week's. We can click done and have it just highlight the dates, but we can also apply it to the entire range and apply a $sign in front of the A so it highlights the entire row. Click done, and there we have last week's dates highlighted. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets and make better Google Sheets, subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube.